What's the meaning of baby talk? Baby talk. Baby talk.
Baby talk. Baby talk. The term baby talk refers to the simplified speech patterns that adults use when speaking to infants or young children. It is characterized by a higher pitch, slower tempo, exaggerated intonation, and simplified vocabulary. Baby talk is used to capture the attention of infants and help them develop their language skills. While it may seem silly to adults, studies have shown that baby talk can actually aid in language acquisition by providing infants with clear and exaggerated sounds that they can easily recognize and imitate. Baby talk is also used as a form of bonding between caregivers and infants, as it helps establish a close emotional connection.